So here's my 49.5 setup. Most people don't post the conversion kit for the 49.5. They either post the 9.95 or the 45.95. But this my setup. Basically, this is my whole setup. Basically for all my guns. Well, not all of them, but majority of them. Basically. Um, Let me know if I should post a tutorial on how to do this wall. It's very simple. It's very easy. I think it was under like $200. You go to Home Depot, get all the product, Lowe's, whatever you go. It's very easy. Um, you know, and this is basically my setup. Let me know what you think.